Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install charging schedules with ChargePoint mobile app, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the ChargePoint mobile app on your smartphone. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is open, log in using your account credentials. If you're a new user, select Create Account and follow the prompts to set up your profile. After logging in, navigate to the Charging tab at the bottom of the screen. Find your charging station from the list or use the map feature to locate a nearby station. Once you've selected a station, tap on it to view additional details. Look for the option labeled Charging Schedule. Select Charging Schedule to begin setting your preferences. You will see options for creating a new schedule or editing an existing one. Tap that schedule to create a new charging schedule. Choose the days of the week you want the schedule to apply to. Select the start time for when you want the charging to begin. Next, set the end time for when charging should stop. If your vehicle has a preferred charging rate, adjust the settings accordingly. Review your schedule to ensure all details are correct. Once you're satisfied, tap Save to confirm your charging schedule. You will receive a confirmation that your schedule has been set successfully. To edit or delete an existing schedule, simply return to the Charging Schedule section. Select the schedule you wish to modify and follow the prompts to make your changes. Your charging schedule will now automatically activate based on your preferences. Congratulations! You've successfully set up a charging schedule using the ChargePoint app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.